Are you wondering what styles and trends are going to emerge in 2023? We just happen to be at a brand new construction custom home here in Houston. We're going to show you what we see might be popular in 2023. Come on in, let's check it out. So we're here inside this custom home in North Houston, Texas. As you can see, there's a lot of different things in this house you'll see in the next few minutes on different trends that we might see emerging in 2023. I'm loving, you either love or hate stamped concrete floors or finished concrete floors rather in this case. I don't know if you can see on the video how eloquently, if that's the word, these are done. These look super sharp. The reflection is perfect, not too shiny, not too dull. Will we see more finished concrete floors in 2023? Depending on the area, I think so. I don't know if that's a broader trend. Let's go check out some other stuff. I've been seeing lately more unfinished wood, more rustic farmhouse type mantels and other finishes in the house. Obviously not high touch areas, but check this out. Surreal wood, what was it? I don't know. Railroad time? Not sure, but this is a trend I am seeing more of. What do you think about this? So the trend is coming back where I'm seeing a lot more wood tone product than painted. You know, wood tone went out of style for a while. You either wanted dark or you wanted gray, or you wanted, of course, everybody wants white, but the light wood tones are coming back in. You've seen this both in cabinetry and in floors. Light wood tone coming back. Also, contrasting tones. We'll get into that in a second. Before we leave the bathroom though, freestanding tubs are all the rage. You gotta get one. If you're building, you're probably getting one already. One trend I'm not sure we're gonna see a lot of in 2023, pine wood floor. I don't know if these are Soshogiban, is that the word? Or stained, I don't know what they are. I don't think we're gonna see a lot of this, maybe in the country, but I can tell you this looks fire in person. Hopefully you can see it like I see it on video. Stunning. You thought wet bars were a thing of the 70s? They're back. In about 2020, they started coming back a little bit more. You're gonna see them more and more and more, I feel, as people are doing more entertaining at home. Check this baby out. Okay, mudrooms have been getting more popular over the last couple of years. It's almost a requirement in new construction homes, built-ins in your cute little shiplap walls. Don't forget your backpack hooks. Okay, I've got two bonus trends I want to call out. Bonus trend number one, the laundry room sink. These are getting more and more popular. I would say sub 2010, sub 2012, unheard of. More and more over the last couple of years while people are living and working at home, bam, laundry room sink. Let's go to bonus number two. Okay, here's bonus trend number two. The old microwave in the pantry. More and more people aren't wanting to see all of their appliances in the kitchen. So in these larger homes, they're putting the microwave in the pantry. What do you think about that? All right, so this kitchen is rich with trends that I think you're gonna see emerging more and more in 23 and maybe 24 and beyond. So check this out, this kitchen. We've got, first of all, the contrasting countertops, right? You got more quartz now than granite and silestone that you've seen back in the day. You got quartz and quartzite, but you've got contrasting island versus side cabinetry. You've also got your contrasting cabinets. Now you've seen a lot of this in the past few years with white and gray or white and navy. You'll still see a lot of that, but with the trend going back more towards wood grain, I think you're gonna see that more. Maybe not all combined, but I think you're gonna see it more. One trend that is emerging, there's two things that are emerging that we haven't seen a lot of, and I've been saying almost 20 years, you've never seen. Everybody's always been matchy, but take a look at this. So you've got your stainless appliances, right? But then you've got your bronze cabinet pulls and drawer pulls. And then you've got your chrome faucets mixed with your gold light fixtures and so on and so forth. Everything contrasting and contradicting seems to be in style right now. How long will it last? I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. But for now, I'm loving it. At my house, I've got the bronze and the gold. I didn't mix in everything else. Of course, I've got stainless appliances, so I guess I'm participating in the trend, even though I didn't know. What do you think about that? Last thing, the ceilings. You're starting to see more ceiling embellishments. Of course, you're seeing more wood beams, wood columns, and you're seeing this, I don't know if you'd say this a feature ceiling or shiplap. It's probably not exactly shiplap, but that shiplap look on the ceiling here. Of course, you hear smoke detectors for new construction. I'm liking this. It really, really does feature the kitchen and make it its own special place. People are doing it in master bedrooms and studies as well. What do you think about these? These are the trends that I'm seeing 2023, probably into 2024 and beyond. They're probably in your area too. Of course, we're in H-Town, Houston, TX. Let us know how we can help you.